tense up in front of the camera.
Okay.
And I always wear a hat when I'm on camera. And I'm not wearing a hat.
Nobody can even see your head. So, like, you can't even see it.
But I know it's not because there's a lot of hair on there. There's got to be another reason they can't see my head.
Because your pants are on.
At least you're not the only bald one.
But I look good bald.
Push it on the door so I can try to shoot.
Yeah, then there I'd never be able to get a job again. So they'd be like, I've been waiting for this.
It looks really good.
Oh, bye-bye, Whitey.
We decided we're gonna paint the house that we're getting. We're gonna do it just like this. Same colors.
Like
It's
it?
good together. Yeah, they look really good.
Yeah, that's right. Let Dave guide you. Let colorblind Dave guide you to the paint colors.
Dave don't need to be guiding anybody anywhere.
This way I'm colorblind. I was like, well, hell, that looks all right. I mean, I thought it was green and navy blue, but it turns out black and navy blue.
It's all right. You did good.
These edges need shot now.
Them edges really need shot.
But they're probably enough.
Shoot that up top. Wonder what you painted in there.
Sucker's gonna stick now.
Oh, yeah, it is.
That's dang.
You
There's a
should have-
vein sticking out of that head.
Is it right here?
Yeah, it looks like a worm. Might be a worm.
Get it cut
It's
out.
got a parasites on the big worms.
She's got a
Ah,
worm.
ah.
Yeah,
Now what?
Needs to go up a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, we should not have painted that. Stop.
In a day's time.
Ain't it funny what just paint does? Like, it makes a lot.
Just the face, and the side, I guess that's